Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2009 Harley Davidson XR1200. This bike has around 9,400 miles and is offered for $89.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. In addition to the stock features, this one has a fender eliminator kit on the rear, a nice aftermarket pipe, and a Corbin seat, a couple low-slung mirrors, give it a nice, cool sort of cafe type look. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change and a safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 45 to 50 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.